The next question I have, and Rob, I'm going to start with you on this one before your internet leaves us again. What do you think life's going to look like in 5 years? Because I was thinking about how different, like I remember back in 2022 and 2023 when the AI technology really started to take off. I like checked it out and I was like, yeah, like this is cool, but it still kind of sucks. But then now I look at it and it's completely different, like today than it was back then. It's so much better. So what do you think life's going to look like in 5 years?
5 years is, well, things are moving so much faster in AI than it is in the crypto space. Like, how long have we? I mean, Bitcoin 2009, but then you had, Ethereum come along, and then you had the L2s and everything else. Like, I just got a quick question again for everybody. What are you using your crypto for? And are you using crypto more than AI? And that could be Perplexity, ChatGPT, that could be Gemini, whatever else. But in the next 5 years, there's a couple of things. Throw this up. It was hard to wrap my head around. It's from Elon. And he talks about this happening in the next 10 to 20 years. The most likely outcome is that AI and robots make everyone wealthy, in fact, far wealthier than the richest person on earth. And he talks about this, it's called a post-scarcity market, where everything becomes super cheap because everything is being produced at next to nothing. But to talk to you, Ben, about the 5-year thing, it's going to be painful, I think, to get to that point, if we even get to that point. Like we talked about this, you take a look at the ChatGPT launch end of 2022 and 2023, and then S&P 500. The blue is the total job openings. We can see how those have pretty much gone down. We keep hearing about layoffs happening. So it's either you're going to use AI and get 10 times better, or you're just going to be kind of passed off. And that's the big thing. And that's what's going to happen right now. And then I just took a look at this from the Kobeisha letter. It talks about post-grads, college students, once they get out.